English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 7. Workplace. And? People understand that. What sounds more natural? And then what happened? And then what happened? By the way. People say this often. Anything more natural? Speaking of that. Speaking of that. Certainly. That sounds formal. What sounds more casual? True that. True that. I understand. That works fine. What do people say? I see what you mean. I see what you mean. What is the meaning? People get it. Anything more natural? What do you mean? What do you mean? I think so. People say that. What sounds more native? I think so too. I think so too. Incidentally. That sounds formal. Anything more common? By the way. By the way. In short? Nothing wrong with that. What sounds better? So what do you mean? So what do you mean? Yes, yes. That sounds odd. What sounds natural? Exactly that. Exactly that. Do you understand? People understand it. Anything more casual? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? By the way. This is common. Anything shorter? By the way. By the way. Continue. That sounds direct. What sounds softer? Tell me the rest. Tell me the rest. Is it true? That works too. What sounds more native? For real? For real? That is true. People understand it. Anything more natural? Exactly right. Exactly right. So finally? That sounds awkward. What do people say? So what happened? So what happened? And then what happened? And then what happened? Speaking of that. Speaking of that. True that. True that. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. What do you mean? What do you mean? I think so too. I think so too. By the way. By the way. So what do you mean? So what do you mean? Exactly that. Exactly that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? By the way. By the way. Tell me the rest. Tell me the rest. For real? For real? Exactly right. Exactly right. So what happened? So what happened? Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.